Welcome to the best pick. The best skateboard wax kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious skater looking to enhance their grinding and sliding experience, ensuring smoother transitions and longer-lasting board components. This kit isn't just about wax, it's about unlocking new possibilities on your skateboard, allowing you to tackle ledges, rails, and curbs with confidence and style, transforming your urban playground into a personal skate park. Investing in a quality wax kit means investing in your progression as a skater, protecting your board, and ultimately, having more fun every time you roll out. Number 5. Fireball SuperSlip Pro Skateboard Wax. Introducing the Fireball SuperSlip Pro. This custom-formulated wax is designed to help you grind better than ever before. Experience the difference on curbs, rails, and more. Formulated right here in California, our unique blend ensures a superior glide. It's guaranteed to outperform any other wax on the market for your skateboarding and scootering needs. Take your performance anywhere with this conveniently sized wax puck. It's designed to fit easily into your pocket, fanny pack, or bag, so you're always ready to shred. Don't limit your creativity. This versatile wax is perfect for curbs, rails, and any surface you can imagine grinding or sliding on. Get out there and get creative. Choose your adventure with a variety of mystery scents available. Each pack offers a unique fragrance to enhance your skating experience. Find your favorite today. We believe everyone deserves high-quality gear. That's why we offer this professional-grade wax at an affordable price, backed by our Beast Guarantee. Made by skaters, for skaters. What we like. This one is custom formulated for superior grinding. It's a larger puck, perfect for keeping in your bag. If you are looking for a premium, long-lasting wax with a great scent selection, this is the one for you. What people say. The wax is great for grinding and slides. It comes with a scraper to help keep your board clean. The kit includes multiple colors of wax for different surfaces. Number 4. Almost Skateboard Stick Red Skate Wax. Introducing the Almost Skateboard Stick Red Skate Wax. This essential accessory helps you slide smoothly over ledges and rails. Designed for skaters, it reduces friction, allowing for effortless grinds and slides. Get ready to enhance your street skating experience. Its solid stick form makes it easy to apply directly to your board struts. Enjoy longer-lasting performance on all your favorite spots. Say goodbye to sticking and hello to smooth transitions. This wax is your secret weapon for conquering obstacles with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this skate wax is a must-have. Elevate your skating game and push your limits. What we like. This is a straightforward, no-frills wax. If you prefer a classic, simple product and just need reliable performance without any extra features, this red stick is a solid choice. What people say. This skateboard wax kit is a must-have for any skater looking to improve their grinding and sliding. The wax is easy to apply and provides a smooth glide on various surfaces, making tricks more accessible. The kit includes different scents, adding a fun element to the skateboarding experience. Number 3. Dime Bag Hardware Triple Slick Scented Curb Wax. Introducing the Triple Slick Curb Wax from Dime Bag Hardware. It's the perfect addition to any skater's essential kit, designed for convenience and performance. Never forget your wax again. Each piece is pocket-sized and individually wrapped, making it easy to carry wherever your skate adventures take you. This wax is designed to be small enough to fit in your pocket and affordable enough that you won't stress if you leave it behind. This pack includes 4 pieces, so you're always covered. Not only does it enhance your skating, but it also smells great. Enjoy 4 unique scents that can even help freshen up your space. Get ready to conquer curbs, ledges, and rails with this essential skate accessory. It's perfect for use at the skate park or out in the streets. Each pack comes with 4 individually wrapped, pocket-sized pieces of wax. Plus, you'll find a free sticker included in every package. What we like. These are incredibly practical, pocket-sized pieces of wax. The multi-pack ensures you won't run out, and they come in fun scents. If you're always on the go and tend to lose your wax, this is the perfect solution to always have some handy. What people say. The skateboard wax is designed to help you slide better on rails and ledges. This kit includes everything you need to get started with waxing your skateboard. The wax is made from a durable formula that lasts a long time. Number 2. Bones Rat Wax 2 Vato White Wax Cup. Introducing the Bones Rat Wax 2 Vato White. This unique formula is designed for easy application, ensuring you get the most out of your skateboarding sessions. Its round shape allows for effortless application, making it simple to add more slideability to any surface you choose. Each cup contains 60 grams of our signature buttery paraffin wax. This provides a smooth and consistent glide every time. This wax is specifically formulated to enhance your ride by increasing slideability. It's perfect for all your skateboarding needs. All our unique formulas are developed and produced in our own manufacturing plant in Santa Barbara, California. We use distinct properties for specific skateboarding applications. We create unique urethanes by utilizing different physical and engineering properties for each formula. This ensures top-tier performance for every skater. What we like. This wax is designed for incredibly smooth application due to its round shape and buttery texture. If you prioritize ease of use and want to add maximum slideability to any surface quickly, this is the wax you should grab. What people say. The wax is great for grinding. It makes sliding on rails and ledges much smoother. The kit comes with different scents, which is a nice touch. Number 1. Demon United Ski and Snowboard Travel Wax Kit. Introducing the Demon United Ski and Snowboard Travel Wax Kit. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to pack, ensuring you have everything you need for a quick tune-up wherever your adventures take you. This kit includes the essential tools for quick base repairs. You'll find a metal scraper, P-Tex sticks, and a polishing pad to get your gear back in top shape. Achieve that perfect wax job with ease. It comes complete with a base cleaner, ski brake retainers, a wax scraper, and a handy tuning guide, all organized in a durable travel case. The kit features a high-quality, universal blend wax suitable for any temperature. This provides enough wax for numerous tuning sessions, ensuring your skis or snowboard perform at their best. The improved dual-voltage iron works with 110-220V, making it perfect for international travel. It features an adjustable temperature dial and comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Included is a citrus-based cleaner to effectively prepare your ski and snowboard bases. A clean base is crucial for optimal wax adhesion and performance. What we like. This is a comprehensive travel kit, including a dual-voltage iron and all the essentials for a quick tune-up. If you're a frequent traveler or vacationer who needs to maintain their gear on the go, this kit provides everything you need for a professional wax job anywhere. What people say. The wax is great for grinding and slides. It comes with a scraper to help keep your board clean. The kit includes different types of wax for different surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.